Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Karma album from Skiz. Obviously, who else? I only follow them really. But anyways, I got this stuff from Music Plaza. If you guys have seen online, I have opened up a couple other items that I got from Walmart. But today this is all music from Music Plaza, excuse me. And obviously the much awaited and coveted Skizu Rando opening. So we shall see who I get, but I'm going to save this for last. So obviously we have the Skizu Dweki backpack. I have a Wolfchan one, but I really wanted to get the Dweki one because obviously he's one of my main biases other than Wolfchan. So I got that. So that's going to be going on my purse as a purse charm. We're going to do the compact version of the album. I also got that from what I can remember. I believe I didn't get the accordion versions. The only one I got was the Changbin one. And I have yet to, I think, share that. I can't remember. So I'm excited to see this. I've kind of like kept away from seeing what's in here. Whoa. We have a cod. I'm going to put that there for a second. Oh, these are cool. I like these pictures. Lino. He looks so cute. With his little nyang. There's Binny. Oh my god. Changbin with these contacts. Brutal. Like, killer. He kills me with these contacts. Like, I just... What? Hyunjin. Stunner. Oops. Honey. Another stunner. Lixie, another stunner. Minnie, another stunner. And this toasty bread. This toasty bread, he has been killing me all season long. Ugh. He needs to go away. Put it away. And then the album. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So that's all in there. Pretty cool. I guess I can put these in my binder of my album inclusions, which I will do that in another video. I have already lined up. So there's that. Then it's the Hip Hip or Hooray. Either version. I don't know which one's which. We're going to open up next. Alright, so I'm going to see what I got from the compact version. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, for a second I thought it was Changbin. Oh my god, it's Han! Oh, he looks so cute. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's awesome. He looks so cute. I like that picture. Anyways, so now I'm going to be opening up the Hip Hip and Hooray or Ceremony versions of the albums. I can't remember which is which. We'll go by the white one. That's how we're going to classify here, just to keep it easy. So I've already opened this, so I know what to expect. I have those from the other opening, just to make sure there's nothing here. Okay. Let me see. Let me see who I get in this treasure trove. And they're gotta be in here somewhere. Maybe. Oh my gosh, am I gonna be those fans that didn't get the pictures? Is there no pictures in here? No PCs? Stop. Oh my god. No way. I'm those people that didn't get a PC. That is insane. Hold on. I gotta check the bottom. There's gotta be something. Oh my god. Did I not get a PC? Stop it. That's hysterical. Oh, there they are. Okay, I didn't see the picture. I really didn't see the pictures. I know that there's the stickers. There's a group shot. Let me see who I got. I got Chan. Oh my gosh. I honestly thought I was that fan that didn't get a picture, and it's the double-sided one. Oh my god. I've never had that type of luck, thank God. But I honestly thought for a second I wasn't gonna get a Chan card or a PC, but I got it. I got it. I'm good. It's here. It's in my possession. Okay, cool. Oh my God, that's so funny. For a second there, I really thought your girl didn't get a card. Okay, that's funny. Alright. Alright, next album. Alright, so same goodies. And then, let's see. Let's see. Let's see who I got. And I'm not showing you the stuff already because I'm sure you guys already seen it. I'm kind of sick and tired of seeing it. So there's that. So there's the group picture. Oh, there's this. And, of course, the Curse of the Macnas. Not that I have anything against them at all. I love them. But this is my second. I think actually, yeah, it's my second Sungmin pull. So this is going to be on my Mercari if for anybody that wants it. That's so funny. But hey, it's mini. I'm okay with it. It happens. No bigs. I'll just trade it in for or sell it for another one. So, mini. I'm telling you, I have the Curse of the Maknae. Like, they follow me everywhere, y'all. And last but not least, the limited version. Let's see what goodies reside in here. I really like this packaging. It's different, it's unique. It feels like a vinyl, but it ain't a vinyl. Oh, somebody flew out. Make sure that's... And I've opened these online. I think I've shared these already. They're stunning. Look at that. Look at that boy. Look at that man. Ugh. Stunning. Oh. Second PC. I got tongue-tied. And then there's these beauties that I already own. So these are probably going to go in a bundle sale with like my extra albums that I buy. I will keep whatever inclusions I can, and everything else will be sold separately. So look out for that in my Mercari. So there is this, and the banners, and the pictures, and the actual album, CD. Okay, so nothing changed here. Please be good pulls. Please be good pulls. 1, 2, and 3. Oh! Oh, yay! Okay, I have Han. I'm doing a little cute heartsy. And the Virgo line, if we will, the birthday babies, our September babies. Oh, I'm so excited. So I have one on the way, which I think it's some, oh God, I can't remember who it is. I can't remember who it is. Anyways, I have the final set of these guys now. So I'm excited. Yay! Alright, cool. That's going in my pile. Let's see my pobs from Music Plaza. They're pobs from, I can't remember where. Oh, I got honey again. Cool. So I'm excited for that. I got Han. Then I got Iana, or Ian. I call him Iana sometimes because that reminds me of Lino. And then I got Sungmin, which I'm okay with because I don't have a dupe, so I'm happy with that. And then I have Mr. Felix. So again, cool. I'm happy with these pulls, or rather these pobs. So I'm excited. Those are gonna go in my pob binder. So there is that. And then the most coveted and awaited rando box unboxing. Who do I want? Stay tuned and find out. All right, I have the coveted and awaited Skizoo random blind box opening product that we've seen everybody and their mama, if not so everyone and their mama, opening it. Who do I want? I really don't care. I love Skizoo. Obviously, I'm going to pull for Dweki or Whoop-chan, but if I had to, I would also pull Han. Or Lina. Or Libet, excuse me. But, again, I don't care who I pull. I'm happy. It's Skizoo. So, let's see who I get. Where's Changbin? I don't have a Changbin PC on me. Dang it. Dweki, don't fail me. And so we have our little envelope with our PCs. And we have our envelope with our PCs. We're going to keep that there for a second. We're going to open up. I got Ian. I'm telling you, I have the curse of the Machines. I have Ian. I could tell. Those pointy ears. 1, 2, 3. Who is it? Huh? Who is it? Is it Ian? I mean, Foxy Ian? I have the curse of the Machines. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. That's so funny. I got Ian. Or, as we like to call him, Foxy Ian. I keep saying Ian. I think it's the guy, but it's not. Oh, I got Foxy Ian. That's funny. Alright. Alright, and then let's see what we got in here. These are nice. Stunner. Lovely, lovely. Oh, I got another Ian PC. And I got Mr. Hyunjin. Oh, and there's a second one? No. Okay, cool. So these are just stuff for the Nemos. But okay, cool. Alright. Good stuff. Alrighty, and that's it, guys. That is my haul for the Karma, Skizoos, and Skiz unboxing. Thanks for watching. Annyeong.